Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into Amazon's most ingenious tools that you probably never knew existed. These are the perfect gadgets to make your projects faster, easier, and way more efficient. So, let's jump right in. Number 1. The Kaiwe Circuit Breaker Finder offers accurate circuit identification by quickly locating the correct breaker in just 2 scans. The first scan learns the electrical panel, and the second pinpoints the breaker, eliminating manual sensitivity adjustments for reliable troubleshooting. Its 2-part system includes a transmitter and a receiver, compatible with 90 to 120-volt AC circuits, making it suitable for residential and commercial use. Equipped with visual indicators and audible alerts, the receiver lights up and beeps when the breaker is located, ensuring ease of use for all users. The receiver also features a non-contact voltage test function, enabling safe detection of live circuits without direct contact. A built-in GFCI outlet tester in the transmitter inspects wiring conditions and tests GFCI devices for added safety. The backlit LCD screen provides clear readings, and an auto-hold function retains results after unplugging. The kit includes accessories like a 3-prong to 2-prong adapter, a light socket adapter, and an alligator clip adapter, enhancing compatibility. A durable carrying case keeps everything organized and portable, perfect for professionals on the go. Number 2. The Aircat Pneumatic Tools 802 Composite Twin Pawl Ratchet Wrench delivers exceptional performance with 70 feet-pounds of maximum torque and a fast 280 RPM rundown speed, making it ideal for various applications. Featuring a twin pawl mechanism, it enhances both drive power and ratchet head reliability, ensuring consistent and long-lasting performance. Designed for comfort, the ergonomic handle minimizes user fatigue during extended use. Its patented tuned exhaust system reduces noise levels to 82 dBA, providing a quieter working environment without compromising power. As part of the Aircat line, this tool represents cutting-edge advancements in pneumatic power tools, offering power, reliability, and user comfort. Number 3. The Poell 100 Pieces Hand Sander Kit is perfect for detail sanding and small projects. Featuring a mini micro sander designed for comfort and efficiency. Made from tough polyurethane foam, it is lightweight, soft, and fits snugly under your index finger for a comfortable grip. Its flexible design allows it to easily reach tight spaces and handle larger areas with ease. The kit includes 80, 120, 180, 240, and 400 grit sandpaper made from high-performance aluminum oxide, ideal for rough sanding, medium polishing, and smooth finishing. Each sheet is marked with its grit on the backing for easy identification. This compact sander is a simple and convenient tool, perfect for detail work, sanding smaller crevices, and accessing hard-to-reach corners in your DIY projects. Number 4. The Sealink Automatic Quick Strip Wire Stripper and Cutter offers a multifunctional 2-in-1 design for precise stripping of 14 to 24 AWG solid core or stranded wires, making it ideal for speaker wires and flat ribbon cables. Its spring-equipped handle ensures effortless stripping with a simple press, automatically removing insulation to save time and effort compared to traditional pliers. The ergonomic, non-slip handle enhances comfort, perfect for tasks requiring frequent wire stripping. Compact and lightweight, it is easy to carry in a tool bag or drawer, making it suitable for DIY enthusiasts, electricians, and repair technicians. A pressure adjustment knob allows for customized stripping pressure, preventing damage to the wire core, while the eagle nose design ensures efficient stripping in narrow spaces. The length adjuster provides precise control over stripping length for greater accuracy. Number 5. The Multimeter 3-in-1 Automatic Self-Adjusting Wire Stripper, Cutter, and Crimper is a versatile tool designed to save time and effort. It handles a cutting range of 30 to 10 AWG, strips wires from 30 to 8 AWG, and crimps 22 to 10 AWG insulated and non-insulated terminals. Its adjustable force knob and built-in stopper allow for flexible use, adapting stripping strength and length to different wire gauges. The drop hole design efficiently discards insulation, simplifying projects. Made from drop-forged, heat-treated SS41 steel, the pliers are durable and strong, while the non-slip rubber handle provides maximum leverage, comfort, and reduced hand fatigue. The value pack includes a replaceable cut blade and spring, capable of withstanding up to 12,000 uses. Ideal for electricians, DIY enthusiasts, and industrial or domestic applications. This tool is perfect for stripping, cutting, and crimping copper, aluminum, sheathed core wires, cables, and insulated terminals. Number 6. The Astro AI Digital Multimeter Tester is a versatile tool for accurately measuring AC, DC voltage, DC current, resistance, and diodes. It is ideal for solving both industrial and household electrical issues, making it suitable for tasks like testing household outlets, fuses, batteries, including vehicle batteries, automotive circuits, charging systems, and electronics. This multimeter features specific modes for testing 1.5 volt, 9 volt, and 12 volt batteries, automatically detecting and displaying battery status for added convenience. Safety is a priority with double fuses that protect against overloading and an anti-burn design. The silicone cover adds durability by protecting the device from drops and preventing electric shocks. A low battery indicator ensures you're always prepared for reliable use. Number 7. The Franklin Sensors Pro Sensor M210 Stud Finder delivers unmatched accuracy with its 13 patented sensors, ensuring precise stud detection. Its wide LED display shows the full width of studs, including both the center and edges, for clear and reliable results. Equipped with a live wire meter, it enhances safety by detecting live wires, making drilling worry-free. The M210 automatically adjusts for depth, material, and texture, scanning up to 1.7 inches deep without requiring manual calibration. Its advanced technology and user-friendly design make it a dependable tool for any project. Number 8. The OX Tools Carpenter Pencils Pro Tough Carbon Marking Pencil is designed for durability and precision, crafted from high-quality PP, ABS, and stainless steel materials to withstand tough job site conditions. Its extended needle nose tip allows for accurate marking in tight and hard-to-reach areas. The one-click advanced mechanism dispenses just the right amount of 2.8 mm lead for precision and control. This mechanical pencil is refillable, featuring a stainless steel lead feed tube compatible with all OX Tough Carbon marking range leads. For added convenience, a built-in sharpener is integrated into the cap, ensuring precise marks every time. Number 9. The Capro 317 Adjustable Drywall Tsquare tool is designed for versatility and durability, featuring a sliding head that adjusts to any angle and locks securely with a groove forming 90 degrees. Its screw lock ensures the head stays in position during use. With ABS end caps and a hands-free holding ledge, it offers added balance and precision when placed on edges. Ideal for technical drafting, drywall work, interior design, and home improvement projects. This tool is multifunctional. Its foldable design allows for easy storage, while the anodized aluminum finish resists wear and corrosion, ensuring long-lasting accuracy and performance. Number 10. The Magnespot XR100 K2 reference point locator is a revolutionary tool designed for precision drilling and coring. It is extremely portable, weighing approximately 2.5 pounds, making it easy to carry and handle on various job sites. The kit includes a transmitter, receiver, and 9-volt alkaline batteries, all securely stored in a sturdy hard carrying case. This compact design ensures safety during transit and allows for convenient storage. The XR100 K2 is versatile and time-efficient, suitable for locating attic drop points or drill holes through thick structures such as walls, floors, attics, and roofs. Its intelligent design eliminates guesswork, saving time and reducing the risk of errors. The The maximum range between the transmitter and receiver exceeds 60 inches, making it effective even for large structures. An audible sound with a range of 96 inches simplifies the process of locating the transmitter quickly. For precise drilling, the center reference point is 1 inch below the pin's moving face when the transmitter is positioned on its side. This tool ensures accuracy and eliminates the danger of drilling in the wrong location, making it an essential addition for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts.